This is the elevator at the Lincoln Airport parking garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. It's a Montgomery Vector from 1987. So here we go. Let's go down. Let's start. We'll go down first. So here we go. And here it is. Let's go down to 1. This is the 1080p 60 frames take. Here we go. A Vector with a side door. That's the first. And it's traction. Or believe it or not, let's go to 4. Here we go. Here at 4. Nope, it was wrong. It's hydraulic. Let's go on the street level. These are your fixtures, Vector fixtures. There's your phone right there. Fornicator, some Montgomery elevator. So in 2019, this elevator is getting modernized by Innovation Fixtures. Decorator fixtures. Here the street level. Alright, here we are. Alright, that's it.